Digital products, you hear, hum ki hui, create once and sell multiple times in 2026. What if you could create a useful product without manufacturing, packaging, or shipping anything? That's the opportunity behind digital products. A digital product is something you create once and deliver electronically, such as templates, spreadsheets, planners, checklists, ebooks, guides, prompt packs, design assets, presentations, social media templates, educational resources, or business tools. The reason this model is interesting is that the same digital product can potentially be sold to multiple customers without you having to physically manufacture another copy every time. But don't make the mistake of thinking that creating a PDF automatically means passive income. The real value comes from solving a specific problem. For example, instead of creating a generic spreadsheet, you could create a monthly budget tracker for beginners, a social media content calendar for small businesses, an expense tracker for freelancers, or a YouTube planning dashboard for creators. The more specific the problem and audience, the easier it can be to explain why someone would want your product. You can use AI tools to brainstorm product ideas, research common problems, organize information, create outlines, generate formulas, improve instructions, and speed up repetitive parts of the creation process. But AI should be your assistant, not your entire product. Review everything carefully and add your own expertise, examples, structure, design, and practical value. If you're creating a spreadsheet, test every formula. If you're creating an ebook, verify important information. If you're creating a template, make sure it's actually easy to use. And if you're using images, fonts, icons, music, or other assets, make sure you have the appropriate rights to use them commercially. Another important step is choosing where to sell. You could use a digital marketplace, an e-commerce platform, a creator platform, or your own website, depending on your product and target audience. Your product listing is extremely important. A customer should immediately understand what the product does, who it's for, what they receive, and how it can help them. Use clear preview images and demonstrate the product instead of making exaggerated claims. You can also create bundles. Imagine selling one social media template for a small price. Then imagine creating a complete social media starter pack containing content calendars, caption templates, post designs, planning sheets, and analytics trackers. A bundle can provide more value because it solves several related problems together. Marketing is another major part of the business. You can use YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, blogs, email newsletters, or other platforms to demonstrate the problem your product solves. For example, instead of simply saying "buy my budget planner," create a short video showing 3 common budgeting mistakes and demonstrate how your planner helps organize the process. Give people a reason to trust you before asking them to buy. And remember, digital products are not guaranteed income. Some products may sell well, others may not sell at all. You may need to test different ideas, pricing, designs, titles, keywords, and marketing strategies. That's normal. The goal is to learn what your audience actually wants. If you're a beginner, don't create 50 products immediately. Choose one audience, identify one problem, create one high-quality solution, and test it. If people like it, create related products and build a small product ecosystem. Over time, your collection can become a digital asset that continues to generate sales opportunities while you focus on creating new value. So the formula is simple. Find a problem, create a useful digital solution, make it easy to use, present it clearly, market it honestly, collect feedback, and improve it. AI can help you create faster, but your understanding of the customer is what makes the product valuable. If you enjoyed this video, follow for more digital product ideas, AI tools, online business strategies, passive income concepts, affiliate marketing, and practical ways to build income online.